In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create GoDaddy account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the GoDaddy homepage. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You will see the Sign In option there. Click on it to open the Sign In menu. After that, look for the New Customer section. Under that section, click Create an Account. This will take you to the account registration page, where you can choose how you want to sign up. GoDaddy gives you a few different sign-up methods, which is helpful because you can pick the one that feels most convenient for you. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. If you already prefer using one of your existing accounts for faster access, choosing Google or Facebook can make the process quicker. If you would rather create a separate login just for GoDaddy, then the email option is the best choice. If you decide to sign up with email, you will need to fill in a few details. Enter your email address in the required field. Then create a username that you will remember easily, since this can help you identify your account later. After that, choose a strong password. A good password should be difficult for others to guess and should be something you can store safely. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered correctly before moving on. Once you have selected your sign-up method and completed the required fields, click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. At that point, your GoDaddy account will be created, and you can move forward with using GoDaddy services such as domains, hosting, and other website tools. As a quick tip, always double-check the information you enter during sign-up, especially if you are using email, so there are no mistakes that could affect access to your account later. It is also a good idea to keep your login details in a secure place so you can sign in easily whenever you need to manage your account. That covers everything you need to know.